Here I've got locked Poptel P8, and let me show you how to hard reset the following device in order to remove the screen lock. So at first let's tap on power key and hold it for a while, then click on power off and wait until your device is shut down. Then tap on power key and volume up key all together until you are in boot mode. And here it is, now you're in boot mode. Here you can navigate by using volume up key, and then you can select the option by tapping on volume down key. So let me choose recovery mode, and now tap on volume down key. Wait a couple of seconds, and once you see the Android logo, simply tap on power key and then click on the volume up key once. And here it is, now we are in recovery mode, in which you can navigate by using volume up and down key, and then you can select some particular function by tapping on power key. So now scroll down, find and choose wipe data factory reset, tap on power key and confirm that you would like to wipe all data from your device. Wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, data wipe complete, so we can reboot system now. Simply tap on power key to reboot system now, and wait until it's done. It may take a couple of seconds. And that's it, now you can set up your device as a new one. So let me quickly go through the setup process, so you can check that there is no lock screen then. Now let me set up as a new one. Let me skip it. Skip anyway, just to show you that there is no more screen lock, and then you can obviously set up all these settings later. That is not a problem then. And that's it. As you can see, now you can use your device as a new one, and there is no more screen lock. You can simply unlock your device by swiping. So that would be all. This is how you can perform a hard reset in order to remove the screen lock. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.